Luck vocabulary, set 26. Politics difficult words. 1. Bureaucracy, a system of government in which most decisions are taken by state officials. Hindi arth, Naukarshahi. 2. Coalition, an alliance for combined action, especially a temporary alliance of political parties. Hindi arth, Gathbandhan. 3. Constituency, a group of voters in a specified area who elect a representative. Hindi arth, Nirvachan Kshetra. 4. Referendum, a general vote by the electorate on a single political question. Hindi arth, Janmat Sangrah. 5. Manifesto, a public declaration of policy and aims, especially before an election. Hindi arth, Ghoshna Patra. 6. Ideology, a system of ideas and ideals forming the basis of political theory. Hindi arth, Vichardhara. 7. Autocracy, a system of government by one person with absolute power. Hindi arth, Nirankush Shasan. 8. Democracy, a system of government by the whole population, typically through elected representatives. Hindi arth, Loktantra. 9. Dictatorship, government by a dictator, absolute power by one ruler. Hindi arth, Tanashahi. 10. Diplomacy, the profession or skill of managing international relations. Hindi arth, Kutniti. 11. Electorate, all the people in a country who are entitled to vote. Hindi arth, Matdata Samuh. 12. Federalism, a system of government in which entities share power with a central authority. Hindi arth, Sanghvad. 13. Impeachment, the process of charging a public official with misconduct. Hindi arth, Abhiyojan. 14. Lobbying, attempting to influence decisions made by officials in government. Hindi arth, Pairvi Karna. 15. Nomination, the action of proposing or formally entering someone as a candidate. Hindi arth, Namankan. 16. Ordinance, a law made by an authority such as a government or municipality. Hindi arth, Adhyadesh. 17. Plebiscite, direct vote by the people on an important public question. Hindi arth, Janmat. 18. Sovereignty, supreme power or authority of a state to govern itself. Hindi arth, Samprabhuta. 19. Secularism, the principle of separation of the state from religious institutions. Hindi arth, Dharmnirpekshata. 20. Theocracy, a system of government in which priests rule in the name of God. Hindi arth, Dharmatantra. 21. Bipartisan, involving the agreement of two political parties. Hindi arth, Dvidaliya. 22. Caucus, a meeting of supporters or members of a specific political party. Hindi arth, Good Baithak. 23. Gerrymandering, manipulating boundaries to favor one party in elections. Hindi arth, Nirvachan Kshetra ki herfer. 24. Incumbent, the current holder of a political office. Hindi arth, Padasin Vyakti. 25. Sedition, conduct or speech inciting people to rebel against authority. Hindi arth, Rajdrah.